love that. Hey, look at you over there. All right, y'all, we are in the Chagres Forest here in Panama, and it is so beautiful. Just look, we are about to get on these like canoes, kayaks, and yeah, we're about to enjoy this adventure. Everybody's here. Hey, let's do it! Birthday boy. My girl over there. Okay, y'all. Yeah. Everybody's getting life jackets on. Amen. All right, y'all. We are vested up.
Hey guys, raise your hand. Say Panama.
Panama. We are vested up, and we out here on the water, y'all. Oh, it's so beautiful. This was the most beautiful scenic canoe ride, you guys. It just shows you how amazing God is and the beautiful things that this world has to offer. We just have to get out and see them. I mean, just this part was simply amazing. So in this next part of the video, we're gonna actually go hiking. There's a beautiful waterfall that we want to get to. So the next part of the adventure is hiking, and it is just simply beautiful. I mean, look at that scenery, you guys. We were so blessed to be able to go on this adventure, and you guys are going to love it. All right, y'all. We out here hiking through the rainforest. There go the crew. There go the other part of the crew. And yes, y'all, we got our staff, and we're going on a hike. How steep this is, y'all. All right, God, be careful. Wait a minute, somebody.
We lost the sand. Okay.
Oh, Lord, I think the truck will go.
Oh, they broke?
Yeah.
What is?
Here, maybe let's try to see if we can wrap you up or something. Here, Johnny, hold it. Here, y'all go.
Okay, y'all, so we have averted a crisis. Ashley's shoe broke, but we have rigged it back together. We figured it out with a shoelace and determination. Hola, we are finishing our hike. Everything's going good. So we have to get up here.
We just got out the canoe.
Okay. Hey, who's
It's cold. Okay, y'all, so after a few steps of our hike, the method that we had used to fix Ashley's sandal did not work. So she said, oh well, I am going to continue and I am going to do this entire hike barefoot, y'all. I respect her so much for that. And I feel like it is a true testimony to say, you know what, no matter what obstacle come my way, I am going to finish. I am going to continue onto my hike. And I am getting to that waterfall, honey. So she is so amazing for this, guys. And just like that, we made it to the waterfall.
Okay, y'all. We are at the waterfall. It is gorgeous. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead.
Fresh water just does something to me. Every time I touch it, I just feel so refreshed and revived. It's my happy place. He's gonna be here soon, don't delay, don't delay. I just wanna be with you, spending all my life with you. You don't do me like you be deja vu. I just wanna be close to you. Many things we can do. Baby.
All right, y'all. We have just taken the most refreshing dip.
Refreshing. So refreshing.
Okay, in that natural waterfall. And it was amazing. Y'all see everybody. Fresh dip. Hey girl. Honey. Y'all, it was amazing. It was fish in there too.
It was sure was.
Lord.
We made it through. Oh my
way.
goodness, y'all. We made it all the way back, and the
it,
next
y'all.
thing to do was kayaking. And you guys, that hike was so invigorating, but the kayaking, that's what's coming next, and it was so exciting.
We out the wilderness, y'all. We made it. I made it. All right, we out here. Out here on my canoe, guys.
Okay, y'all, so I didn't fall in, but y'all, this water is no joke. Like, you can even see right there behind me, that little like ripply looking place, that's another current. Like, it had so many little areas where the current would just pick up, and it was crazy. But I really thoroughly enjoyed kayaking, you guys. I didn't know I would, but just like looking at the scenery, the beautiful sky, the birds, the sound, just amazing.
It is taking me fast.
And y'all know it's not a real trip unless somebody has to get rescued.
Ashley. Crystal.
Okay, so the next part of our excursion was for us to go and visit the people in the village, the beautiful Embera people. This experience was so amazing, guys. I mean, the food, the music, just their culture, their dance. It was beautiful. The vibrant colors they wore, I was so in love. And we had a great time here. Overall, I give this excursion a 10 out of 10. From the hike and the waterfalls to the kayaks to this beautiful village. This was an experience that I will never forget, and I am so blessed to have had it with my friends and family. Y'all, it is time to get out here and see this world. I am telling you. So, next time, I am going to show y'all the rest of our time in Panama. Y'all know we had to turn up. But thank you so much for watching. I am newly starting my YouTube journey, so please stick with me, subscribe, share, and leave a comment, y'all. All right, until next time, bye.